Hi everyone, in this video we are going to evaluate the indefinite integral of x to the fourth times e to the x. So there's a couple ways to do this. One would be to use integration by parts 4 times, which we are not going to do. The other way would be to use something known as tabular integration or the tabular method, or some people call it the DI method, but I prefer tabular. So tabular integration works when one of the factors here after repeated differentiation is eventually 0. So in this case, if we keep differentiating x to the fourth, it's going to be 0 eventually. Also, we can integrate e to the x very easily. So here's how it works. We make a little table. So we write down x to the fourth here, and here we write down e to the x. And then we just take derivatives. So 4x cubed, that's using the power rule. And then bring down the 3, so it'll be 12x squared, right? Bring it down, subtract 1 from the exponent. Again, take the derivative, so 24x. One more time, so 24, and one more time, so 0. So you get really good at taking these derivatives, right? So 4x cubed, 12x squared, 24x, 24, 0, boom, there it is. E to the x is super easy, so it's just e to the x, because we're integrating e to the x, integrate e to the x, integrate e to the x, integrate e to the x. Then you start writing signs. Always start with the plus, so plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Then you draw arrows. I always think they're like little missiles. And then you just follow the arrows and multiply, paying attention to the signs. So now we can write the answer down. So this is equal to, let's see, x to the fourth e to the x, minus 4x cubed e to the x. Very powerful stuff. This is extremely useful. Plus 12x squared e to the x. That's a really ugly 2. Minus 24 e to the x. So many e's everywhere. And then plus 24 e to the x. Plus c. And this should be the correct answer. I'm going to check it here because I have the answer in the book. So I'm just going to look at the book here and check the answer. This is from this book that's here that you can see the cover on the screen. It's called Superpowered Calculus. And I put the link in the description in case you want to check it out. Everything looks okay. Yay, we did it right. I hope it's been helpful. Take care.